Today we're talking about access panels, access doors, or access plates. Here you have an example of an access plate. It's uninsulated, no gaskets. This is an example of the same door that we've actually made a gasket around it. If you're cutting into ductwork that happens to be internally lined, we have our gasketing as well as our insulation. Commercial projects, depending on the commercial project, we may be using access doors, access panels, or access plates. This is an example of an access door that's gasketed, that's basically slid on and is airtight, SMACA approved. We also have access doors that typically go into unlined ductwork. It's bent over, has an access panel that's hinged, basically comes straight off, and is a permanent door. Depending on the type of project you're involved in, residential, commercial, we have multiple products to seal and close access openings. As you can see, we've actually already cut our door just above our A-call. We're about to put in an access door. This is a gasketed door which gently slides in and is screwed to make it airtight. It's as simple as that.